Zelda from TandZRVLife. Zelda, Tony. He's back here sleeping. Not feeling well right now, so pray for him and pray for me. It's not Corona. It's not the Rona. It's just in the wintertime. Rarely do either one of us get sick, but right now it happens to be him, and so I am hanging out, taking care of him. And I want to give a shout out to a friend of mine, her name, on my YouTube friend, Tammie Collins. If you see her comments down below, tell her hi. And she gave me this lovely head covering along with many, many others that I absolutely love. And I just wanted to let her know. See, it's the 12 o'clock siren that they have out here. Hopefully I'm catching the end. The end of the world! It is not the end of the world. The Lord said he's going to come with a shout, and I believe that. So anyway, just wanted to say hi. We haven't been doing videos much. We've been recording. We've been hanging out, doing. I have meals that I have made but not recorded, and Tony has some awesome meals that he's made, and he's taken some on his camera that he received on Christmas. So I will definitely get some up and going, but right now it's just the winter month. It was about 18 degrees outside and our hot water froze, and I forgot. Usually I keep an eye on that, and I forgot to check that. So that's the only issue that we have going on with the RV at the moment. Normally don't have any issues at all with the RV. We met a wonderful lady. I know I switched topics very quickly, but we met a wonderful lady that we will talk about together because she was just a sweetie. And I know you know who we're talking about because she wants to move to Tennessee and get herself a camper. And it's just funny. Tony and I, we were talking about it. I said, "Oh, we got to record this. This is a video, definitely for her, just to kind of share some of the things that we have gone through." And if you look at our channel, it's all about our RV life, how we live. We've been living in our RV, if you haven't known, for 5 years. We started out with 5 in here, and now it's down to 3, and it's still lovely. Still love living the RV life. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep this long. I just want I want to say hello to everyone, and Michael, say hi. Hi. He says hi. Michael says hi. Amaya's not here today. She's over at her place and with her daddy and mama. So that's about it for right now. So we'll see you on the next video, and I pray that this one right here is feeling better. Bye.